Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Today I just have like a little, I guess, almost review on this Easy Mold silicone putty. I have not used this brand yet by Castin Craft. I've used the Amazing Cast or Amazing something. I don't know, Amazing something. I've used the yellow and white one where you mixed 2 and 2 and made a silicone mold. But what I didn't like about that one is it left things kind of gritty almost feeling. So the thing about this one is it's non-toxic, everything like that, and it cures within 25 minutes. It is a 3-minute work time, which I don't really like, but what I want to try to do today, because I really need more molds of these earrings here that will, you know, focus. The thing is, this is done with UV resin. I have a UV resin mold of this, so I can use UV resin on it, but I don't like with the UV resin, if you can tell, it's really light. The pigments are really light, so this one came out a lot better, and I do like the way that looks. But this, as you can see, is the purple is really, really light. It seems like the more pigment you can stack on top of each other, the better the results are, which is why this is like this, because I actually do these in layers. So I want to try to do these earrings with regular part A, part B resin. So that's where this comes in. I'm going to try to mold these. Reading instructions is key. Okay, so it is a little bit colder in here right now. So it says cooler temperatures will result in slightly slower cure rates. Warmer temperatures faster. So that's an obvious. Use vinyl or nitrile gloves, which are sulfur free. So therefore, if you do this with gloves, wear that type. Well, I'll let you guys read the instructions on this. I'm not gonna go through all that. That was just for my benefit because I haven't used this before. Why? Oh, I thought only one was taped. They are both taped. So I know it's like a 1-to-1, right? I didn't read that part. Knead quickly together amounts volumes A and B into a swirl-free uniform color is achieved. About 1 minute. Okay. Leave object in there for 25 minutes. Okay. So. I need to get something to put down. Let me do that real quick. Get out part A first. This is also, if it does work out, this is also what people can use to make molds for like baking or candies and stuff. So that's also kind of cool to know. I like that it was it's food grade as well as, you know, craft grade. It's not just strictly molds for resin or what do you call it, what's the other thing that's not resin? Clay, polymer clays. So it works for both. I'm taking this extra tape and taping it down here. Okay, now let's just do a little bit because I don't think I'll need that much. Ooh, I should have thought about getting this out. Since it's clean. Probably a little bit more than that, huh? We're supposed to do it by weight. I do not have a scale, so I'm going to do it by size. It's going to take a little bit longer than 25 minutes for it. Ooh, I think that's too much. For it to cure, because it is winter now in lovely nice state. Okay, because once I smash these together, 3 minutes from then, those are pretty dang close. Okay, starting. Okay. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Get something to mold this in. That would have been real smart. Oh shoot! Shoot! No swirls! No swirls! Okay, I think that's pretty dang good. Okay. Oh, I think this might is what it is. It's 3 minutes. Flat square. Shoot. I hit something. Oh no! Shit. Bad idea. Okay. I just set that to the side and try again. What do you think? Because that I can tell you is real bad. Oh, look at that. Okay. Let me cut this up. Let's give this an actual legitimate try, because that's not gonna work. Take that right now. Just by the way it feels and looks, because you can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Stick to the bottom of this. It's like rolling over on top, and I have to be able to see all the little beans and everything, so that's not gonna work. It's my janky mold cup. Let's try this again. I can do about the same. Just do like the oils in it or whatever. I don't think I need that much, but it's what's happening now. 3 minute timer, because those look about right. Yes. All right. Go. So, let's see. I would love to try the pour and silicone molds, but those are expensive and tedious. I just don't want this to have any. Okay. Alright, let's try this. Evenly pushing down. Shoot, still workable. Well, let's see how that works. and hope for the best. So I'll come back here after 25 minutes. Oh, it's sticking. And show you what these look like. So, be right back. Alright, so it's definitely, definitely harder now. And it's stuck to the paper. I'm scared of. Dang it. Okay, so let's try the crappy molds first. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, there's some little bubbles in there. Dadgummit. Okay, so this is a definite fail. And it's the same with that one. There's bubbles and bubbles. Now if I was making candy or something, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but since this has to be precise, that's a big deal. So there's that. Now I'll try these. I hope these are better. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh yes, perfect. I'll make it easier. Oops. Okay. Dang it. Maybe all of them have that on there. I just didn't know it. That definitely indent is a lot better. The bottom doesn't feel done. That's a little better. There's many bubbles on that one. I wonder if it's like... Oh, that one's messed up. Last but not least. Oh, now that one came out really good. This one here. Look at that. No bubbles, no nothing. There's a little line in there. But all of them, that's the one that came out the best. I probably could get away with the bubbles. I probably won't cast that bad. There's not great lines. This one is not good because it has lines in it. You can see that little indent in there. It didn't go up between the toes and make them divided as much as the others. This is good, and these other two I can do, but I cannot use this one. And these are just these are just a no-go. Dang it. So maybe on something I don't have to have like super precise, I don't know, things on, but this will help me be able to do more, I think, with part A, part B resin. So, and I think this doesn't feel like it's done because of that right there. It's cold. It's like, it feels really slick. Like this feels slick, but not as slick as that. So I wonder when they come out, because all this is all shiny, and this one is very dull where the bubbles are on there. This one's okay. So I wonder if they'll come out glossy like this, or will they be dull like the other one did. I don't know what I did with the other one that I used the other silicone mold with, but yes. Anyway, so there's my 2 attempts at seeing how this would go. I think they came out overall pretty good. Obviously this is a fail and that's a fail, so I don't know. I think this stuff works pretty well. Probably not on such tiny things. It might work better on something else. I did plan on creating and molding some stuff out of clay to use for resin, so I had some custom molds that were made by me versus buying everything online. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this quick review. I will give this a, let's say, a 4 out of 5 stars, but it might be user error. Who knows? just because it's hard to get all the details through, and it's supposed to be detail oriented, like made to do detailed. Let's see, what did it say before you go? It said perfect for excellent detail from original. So it does say that. Did it give me excellent detail? Right. It's parted is backwards right there. Excellent detail from the original. Strong flexible bolts, 400 no shrink. Okay. Anyway, yes, it gave me pretty good detail. Are they on point, spot on, perfect? No. So I'm going to give this 4 out of 5. We'll use this again, but probably not on something so small. I did get at least one usable, excellent mold out of this. So out of 4, 5, 6, I got one mold that I can use. And that does not do me any good because I'm trying to make more and more rapid. I'm trying to make as many earrings as I can. So I'll try to probably make another one of these, see what I can do. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below what you want to see more from me. And have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.